Most people think Nigeria's content creator market is crowded. The truth is, it is still wide open for those who understand how it actually works. Here is what is happening right now. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok are growing fast in Nigeria, but attention is shifting toward creators who are clear, consistent, and useful. That is the opportunity. You do not need to compete with everyone. You need to serve a specific audience with focused content they can trust. Look at what works. Educational videos, simple tutorials, and relatable insights about real problems. Not noise, not trends, just value. For introverted entrepreneurs, this is an advantage. You are naturally better at depth, clarity, and thoughtful communication. Here is the key. Growth in this market is not about being everywhere. It is about being known for something specific. Pick a niche. Stay consistent. Improve your message over time. Because in Nigeria right now, the creators who win are not the loudest. They are the ones people trust enough to keep watching.